What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video in this Django and React tutorial series. And in this video, we are going to use this JSON response to create an entry in our database. So for that, let's tweak a little bit of our instructions because here it says example. We don't want example. We want Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube, all three of those. And we'll create a method, say a method to save the JSON response into database. So we'll say save recommendations from JSON, and it's going to get JSON response, and we'll first extract the list. So recommendations equals JSON response dot get response, and we're getting a list of 5 of the recommendations from AI. So we'll say for rec in recommendations, let's first handle the themes because our themes have a different model and our themes also require some many-to-many fields, so we need to handle that logic here. We'll say for theme in rec.get themes, which is also a list, we'll say theme object equals themes.objects.get or create name equals theme. So if there's already a theme under that name, it will get that particular theme. If not, it will create a theme with that name. And we're going to let's just create a list over here first. Theme objects is empty. Theme objects, and we'll append each theme object over there. Now we're ready to create recommendation. So we'll say recommendation equals recommendations dot objects dot create. Yeah, I think we can use that. It's rec.get name, artist, album, release date, album art. I think that should be enough. And we'll save this for right now. Since we have themes set to be null or blank, we don't have to worry about it before saving. Now we can set recommendation.themes.set theme objects. Now this will map all the themes that we have for that particular song. Now in order to save the links, we'll do that later. We'll just say save links and leave it for right now. And we'll say print successfully added to the database. Let's see if this works. Let's use this in here. We'll say save from JSON, and we're going to pass our JSON response. And let's see if that works. We have this right now. We'll reload this. We just have one song right now. And let's post it, and we should have a total of 6 songs over here if everything goes right. I already pressed it. It says non-type object has no attribute get. What line is that? It's from recommendations. It says non-type object. What does that even mean? Okay. A response. I don't think we need. We have. Do we have a response? Let's try it one more time. Let's comment this out and let's see what kind of object we get. So let's reload it. Let's post it. We're getting null again. I don't know why is that. It says it's none. We'll just leave it empty for right now. Please don't include that. Should be working. Let's post it one more time. We're getting empty. Wow, this had to break, huh? Response.text. Is it still raw response? I think it's not getting the instructions correctly. We're gonna have to do some trimming. Now it's working. And now let's uncomment this. We'll definitely need to take care of that issue. Let's post it one more time. If we still get an error, because we do have a response key that has a list of all the JSON objects. So list object has no attribute get. Okay. So recommendations.object.create. Now let's print recommendations. Recommendations, we'll save it. We'll reload and post it again. And then see what's the issue here. Okay. We have a list. What did I print over here? Print, this is the JSON dumped value. And then we're not printing anything. List object has no attribute get. What if we do JSON response? Just that and save it. Comment it out. Let's rerun this. Post it. Did you mean recommendations? What line is that? That is on line 100. Yeah, I commented this. Okay. I don't know why it's reading from a comment. I think it worked. Let's check. There we go. We have war pigs and it's added these, added all the information. One by Metallica, Street Fighting Man. And if we look at the themes, now we have multiple themes. So yeah, that kind of fixed it. I think it's still not stable right now, but as far as our method to save the recommendation goes, it's working properly. And next we'll work on adding links and linking it to the specific recommendation. And if we run into any error with these instructions, we'll fix that as well. So that's it for right now. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section below. If not, I'll see you in the next one.